Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the last video of the year, so we decided to make a little montage and throwback for this year that we've had. It's been a good year. We appreciate everybody that's followed us through our journey, watched our videos, and there's a lot more coming. So we really appreciate for everybody that subscribes, likes our videos, and comments down below. It shows us that somebody likes our videos and it motivates us to make more videos.
So this is like a YouTube rewind type of style video. We started this car building channel basically almost exactly a year ago, and we still have our first build right there behind us, our first build that's on the channel. And so yeah, I mean, if comment below, let us know what you guys think about, you know, our builds, what you guys think about going to auto auctions. We're doing a giveaway on this video. So on our last video, we did a giveaway, which we will announce in this video.
The winner
we'll announce. And so this video, kind of the same thing, but on this video, comment as much as you like. Every comment is an entry to win either our sweater, our shirt, or the new hat we have coming that we're not going to be selling yet. It's exclusive. So make sure you comment below if you want to get entered to win the giveaway. We appreciate you guys sticking around. 2020 will be a bigger year than 2019. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy this video. Alright guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild Garage. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage.
Welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage.
Guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage.
Okay guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage.
Okay guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage.
And welcome back to the channel. Guys, welcome to Auto Rebuild's Garage. And this is literally our new garage for our channel. We're not actually planning to fix it, even though he said time and money. We're just buying a tarp
From Harbor Freight.
From Harbor Freight, and just tarp it up, and I think we could, I'm gonna book some loads. MTV Cribs. Come on in.
So, let's see what we got. This thing has, look at this binder, look how thick that is. Of service records. Hey, who needs some mayo?
Baking soda.
Look at that, what else we got?
Where's that sound? Tabasco sauce. Okay guys, so it's time to pick a winner from our last video. And so if you guys come here and look, so I'm gonna get the link from this video right here, this the Civic video, the new build we picked up, and we were gonna go to this automatic comment generator, put in the link right there. And now let's get the YouTube comments, and we're gonna see who the winner is. Okay, so Norman Mumford.
Inky rims, by the way.
Inky rims. So that's what he commented. They're actually not inky rims. But thanks for your comment. Your comment was entered into win the giveaway. So be sure to message us either on Instagram or email us at autorebuilds. So it's autorebuilds509@gmail.com. Email us and you'll get a choice between a sweater, shirt, or the new hat we got coming. So make sure to contact us.